Hey everybody, my name's Evelyn, and today I'm here to teach you how to fake bangs. And I'm gonna get right to it. I don't think there's anything necessarily you want to hear me talk about. I also don't know if I can multitask by talking at the same time. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is comb your hair in front of your eyes. I know, this looks like it's a fake hack, but this is just the first step. And I would also like to mention that I came up with this myself one day while having a mental breakdown. And I was like, I should cut my hair into bangs. And I was like, wait, what if I didn't? So I decided not to cut my hair into bangs. Anyway, this is the first step. Then you want to find a section of hair that's a little bit past your ear. So like maybe that much. Okay, so this is where you're going to segment it on this side. It's in my mouth, blah, blah. Okay. That's what she said. Never mind. Yes. So then you find the section that's a little bit in front of your ear. Let's see if those are about the same. No, they are not. We are going to make them more the same. Is that more the same? Not quite. Is that better? Yank your hair a little bit, just to check. Am I doing this right? Okay, didn't just decide where you think would be a good spot to end your hair. End it like, a superhero villain. I think they're just a villain. Super villain. There we go, that's the word. Anyway, I don't usually do these videos. It's kind of weird just talking to myself. I'm not really a talk to myself kind of person, or like a person who associates the screen as being actual humans, which, leads you to understand how I'm doing in lockdown. And I don't know what I was gonna say there. My sister's been playing a lot of One Direction. Like a lot. Anyway, so did I mention you're brushing your hair so it's like all smooth? Anyway, now you're gonna fold it roughly in half. And I know that looks a little weird right now, but you kind of want to smooth it out, figure out how much you need to yank on it a little bit. You can probably pull down on it a little bit more later. I'm gonna just readjust that. Hope I can figure out how to post this to YouTube. I don't actually remember how to do it from a phone because I've never been able to do that because I never had enough space on my phone to do that. Aha, there we go. Straight line, am I right? Oh, did I mention you'll also need at least one bobby pin? I didn't mention any of this. You need a brush and at least one bobby pin. I'm not going to edit this video. It'll be fine. I actually don't know how to do that. None of my other content is like this, just to clarify. I cannot multitask, and I also can't stick a bobby pin in my hair. That's what my other content's like. Minus the bobby pin. Aha! So I got the bobby pin in my hair. Now, if you want, you can also add more bobby pins. I have 2 more bobby pins, and that should be sufficient. And as you can see, it kind of looks like I cut my hair. And obviously, people will be able to tell if they look closely enough you do not have actual bangs, because it doesn't look like you have actual bangs. However, it does look cute, and you could probably prank somebody on April Fool's Day with this look. So, haven't done this in practice before this video, but we're gonna try it, because I wonder if it'll, make it look more realistic. Come on, bobby pin. Okay. I talk to inanimate objects, as one does. Okay, how about there? Close enough, right? That's like a line where you would have your bangs. This may not be affecting it in a positive way in any way, shape, or form. Ignore that. Just ignore that. It's absolutely fine. We're gonna use the other. Where did the other bobby pin go? Oh, I found the other bobby pin. Existential crisis, opening a bobby pin. Oh, did you ever teach yourself how to pick a handcuff lock with headphones? Headphones. Why did I say headphones? Bobby pin. I don't know how to do it with headphones. That'd be cool. A bobby pin. Anyway, basically, the way you think you need to do it is probably not how you need to do it. Basically, use the bobby pin like a key. You stick it in the keyhole. You need to point it away from the direction the little slidey part comes out. And you like push it down a little bit, and you want to wiggle it until you move this little lever inside the handcuffs, and then you pull on the slidey thing, and then the slidey thing comes out, and you've got yourself out of handcuffs. You can do it in probably 30 seconds to 2.5 minutes. So less time than this video. But it might take longer if your hands are behind your back. Ignore that one section that I messed up because of my bobby pin fiasco. But other than that, I have bangs. Or do I? That's, I guess, the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this helpful lesson in how to fake bangs and pick handcuffs with bobby pins.